What's up, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley-Davidson and North County Indian right here in San Marcos, California. Today's bike of the day is a 2010 Deluxe FLSTN. This is a 103 cubic inch with a 6-speed transmission. It's a two-tone of black and red. We have LED lights, custom grips. You have a phone storage holder right here, extra luggage, and a passenger backrest. This model has exactly 41,757 miles on it. Still a long way to go. It has a fishtail exhaust and a custom air cleaner. Just to show you what she sounds like. This bike's in great condition. If you have questions or interest in this, we do test rides 7 days a week. We'd love to see you here this weekend, right here at Biggs Harley-Davidson.